In the short run, we simply add up the supply curves of individual producers to arrive at the short-run market supply curve, because in the short run the number of producers in the market is fixed. But in the long run, new firms can enter or old firms can exit. To prepare for thinking about that, we'll review here the firm's decision of when to enter, when to exit, and how much to produce. We'll start with the firm's marginal cost curve, which is just the slope of the firm's overall cost curve. We'll add to this the firm's short-run average cost curve, which intersects the marginal cost curve at the lowest point of the average cost curve. From our work in Chapter 11, we know that the firm's short-run supply curve is simply the portion of the marginal cost curve that lies above the short-run average cost curve. Since the firm faces some expenses that are sunk in the short run but real economic costs in the long-run average cost curve will lie above the short-run average cost curve, at least for some portion. In order for the firm to make a profit, price has to lie above average cost. Thus, if price ever falls below P prime, the firm will shut down and produce nothing in the short run and will certainly exit in the long run. If the price falls between P and P prime, it falls above the short-run shutdown price of P prime, and the firm will therefore produce in the short run along its marginal cost curve. In the long run, however, the price is falling below P, below the zero profit long-run price, and therefore the firm would exit in the long run, even though it doesn't shut down in the short run. But if the price falls above P, it's above both the short and the long-run zero profit prices, and therefore the firm will continue to stay in the market and will continue to produce. If the firm is not in the market and the price falls above P, the firm will want to enter the market because there are profits to be made. The long-run supply curve in the market will be determined by how many firms are in that market, and the number of firms in the market will be determined by the entry and exit decisions that firms make. We will not be in long-run equilibrium until no firm has an incentive to either enter or exit. In other words, we will not be in equilibrium until the price settles at a price such that the firms within the industry make zero or positive profits, and the firms outside of the industry would make zero or negative profit by entering the industry.